What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's soft cab enclosure roof on this Polaris RZR Trail S. So let's get right to it. So right off the bat, I will tell you there is multiple ways to install this soft cab enclosure roof, depending on which windshield you're utilizing. Like I said, there's multiple ways to go about it. The way that we're going to show you today is utilizing the bracket that's included with the kit, and that's going to be bolted to the roof of the machine on the cage. If you were not going to utilize this bracket and you were going to use, let's say, a full windshield, a flip windshield, glass windshield, whatever the case may be, there's multiple different ways of doing so. You can bolt the bracket to the frame, you can use the hook and loop fastener only, but like I said, today we're just going to show you how to use the bracket, where to place the hook and loop fastener on the cage, and just walk you through. And if you have any questions on how to do the installation with any of the other windshields, be sure to give us a call at 855-743-3427 and also refer to the instructions on the website. So first thing that we're going to do is take our hook and loop fastener. We're going to go ahead and pull the backing off. We're going to line this hook and loop up right on the edge of our slotted hole. And we're going to run this all the way down this bracket. To the opposite side. So it should look just like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess. Just trim it off right here at the edge. Of the bracket. And then we're going to take our scissors and run them right down along the bracket here and trim all the way down through here. I'm kind of making a rough cut here. I will come back and clean it up a little bit, make it look a little more presentable. It's kind of tough to get in there with a pair of scissors. You may have better luck if you use a razor blade and run it down along the side of the bracket. So with the hook and loop facing down as well as facing towards the machine, we're going to take our bracket, lay it up here. We're going to grab our hardware, drop it through the bracket, and then install the spacer in between the bracket and the cage. Then start our nut on the back side, just like so. So it's going to lay here just like this. Same thing on this side. Get the bracket aligned. And we can go ahead and fully tighten the hardware for our bracket. Now you're going to take your hook and loop fastener and apply it from here all the way back the cage. Then you're going to put it on the back tube of the cage on the rearmost side all the way across. And then on the opposite side, you're going to run it down the cage as well. Our machine already had this soft roof on it previously, so we already had our hook and loop installed, but you'll want to just install it in all the places that I just told you. So now we're going to take our roof, lay it up here. On the front section of our roof, there's a piece of trim lock. That's gonna line up right here on our bracket. We're just gonna go through and slip it on all the way across. So we'll go through and make sure it's fully secured all the way across. And kind of take this, flip it back out of the way a little bit. That does make it slightly easier. And then the piece of hook and loop that is hanging down on the back side of the trim lock, you're just going to pull that up and attach that to your bracket. So right here, you're gonna go ahead and open these up, just like so, and then we're gonna flip our roof back. I like to kind of just get the roof kind of tacked in place on one side. Same thing, peel this flap. This strap here, what you want to do for both sides is open it up and slide it down. That'll kind of lay like so. I like to pull it about as tight as it'll stretch. I like to pick this up one last time and then stretch it as tight as I can. You'll loop it to the inside. Run that in there. Pull on it, like I showed you previously. Stretch it as tight as you can. Just like that. Now that roof's sitting on there very nice, very tight. Come back here, grab our last strap, loop it around the cage. Fully fasten it like so. So once you've went through and adjusted this roof the best that you can to where it fits nice and tight, you're good to go. One thing I do want to point out here, which is an awesome feature of this soft cab enclosure roof, is it already has the hook and loop built in here. So if you did have a soft cab, it's literally going to attach right here, and then this flap is going to enclose that seam. So it's going to seal this cab up very nicely. This is a very nice product to pair up with a full glass windshield, a full windshield. Our soft cab enclosures, all around installs very easily, on and off in a few minutes. Like I said, once you have it all adjusted, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's soft cab enclosure roof on this Polaris RZR Trail S. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.